Hey everyone, we're back for another Midland Minute. This week we're going to talk about the best walkie-talkies for planting season. Planting season is right around the corner or here, depending on where you're at in the country. Now planting season requires a lot of communication, and it's really easy with walkie-talkies for instant, easy access communication at the push of a button. You can reach everyone all at once. First, we have our T71 walkie-talkies. These are super easy to use and they have great battery life. Next, we have the GXT 3000 walkie-talkies. These are repeater capable, water resistant, and have a battery life of up to 27 hours. This is the GXT 67 Pro. This is our most powerful walkie-talkie we have. It's 5 watts of power, it has a battery life of up to 4 days, and it's IP67 waterproof and dustproof, making it perfect for the farm because it can handle the toughest of conditions. Everybody head to midlandusa.com and find the best walkie-talkie for you and your crew this planting season.